Maryland's home prices are up 5.3% from last year, and inventory is rising slowly. It's Friday, July 19th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Maryland Market Minute. Days on the market before a contract is received remains low, 8 days. Multiple offers and competing contracts are still a thing, but we are seeing a slight shift with some homes on the market longer and some pricing adjustments. Maryland housing inventory saw 2,276 homes hit the market this past week, and another 1,023 are coming soon. 1,901 homes went under contract in 11 days. 1,468 homes sold since last week at 100% list-to-sold ratio and selling in 8 days. Rentals available for lease rose again this week to 2,332 at $2,500 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week, your Maryland Market Minute for Friday, July 19th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.